Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your biology final exam. First, understand the exam structure, like whether it's multiple choice or essay and what topics it covers. Next, gather all your essential study materials, including lecture notes, textbooks, and lab manuals. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, allocating at least 2 hours daily for focused review over several weeks. This structured approach will set a strong foundation for success. To truly grasp the material, engage in active learning. Try summarizing complex biological topics in your own words, perhaps even explaining them aloud to an imaginary audience. Create flashcards for essential vocabulary, definitions, and important concepts. Review these daily for at least 15 minutes. Additionally, practice drawing and labeling diagrams of intricate biological processes, like cellular respiration or DNA replication, to solidify your understanding visually. Self-assessment is crucial for identifying knowledge gaps. Work through practice questions and any available past exams to simulate the real testing environment. Pay close attention to questions you answer incorrectly, as these highlight areas needing more attention. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to reviewing these weaker topics. Consider joining a study group or seeking help from a tutor for particularly challenging concepts to gain new perspectives and clarify doubts. As exam day approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep the night before to optimize cognitive function. On the morning of the exam, eat a balanced, nutritious meal to maintain energy and focus throughout the test. Arrive at the testing location at least 15 minutes early to settle in, and remember to stay calm and confident. Trust in your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.